Hey, what's up? Today we are going to make this into that. Welcome to Packaging Design Redesigned, episode 1. Stick around. How did I make this into that? I first looked at where the chocolate is coming from, and it says it's coming from, or the cacao is coming from Bolivia. And so I searched for inspiration in the Bolivian tradition, and I found these patterns, and so I decided to use them in my design. As a package designer, you normally want your packaging or your product appear more worth than the customers actually paying. So I decided to turn this into a bit more luxury design. Because of the luxury design means, or at least to me, taking less elements. So I decided to take the patterns I saw and break them down to the max. the logo of the brand hasn't been the most important thing to me. For me, it was the fair trade symbol. Maybe you see it here. This symbol appeared more important to me than the logo of the company. So I decided to take the fair trade symbol and put it right in the center of my design. And the mark went to the corner together with the other logos for the customer to see after everything else. So because this is a trademark chocolate, I wanted these handcrafted feeling. So I took a paper texture and put it in the background of my design. At the end, I decided to take a picture of a farmer and put it into my design, because I think when you buy a fair trade product, it's not only about the price and the product itself, but about the farmers and everyone else behind it, who hopefully can make a decent living, because these companies paying them a bit more money than average. So I thought with the face it would be easier for the customer to see behind the product they're currently holding in their hands, but see the people who had to work to make this product, or to create this product you're holding right in your hands. So that's my final design. It just looks a bit more luxury and a bit more expensive and a bit more handcrafted. So let me know what you guys are thinking. Hope you liked watching this video. See you next time. I'm out. Bye.